Welcome to our step-by-step guide to tracking Docyt check payments. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. Select Expense Management from the top navigation menu and under Accounts Payable. Click on Invoice Queue. Navigate to the Paid tab to conveniently view all the invoices that have been paid. To track the payment status of a specific invoice, you have two options to view the Docyt check and its status for any paid invoice, as mentioned below. A. By clicking on the amount of the paid check. A drop-down list will appear with the option View Check. Click on View Check to access the check details. B. Alternatively, you can click on the invoice to open it and its data. Then click the three dots and select View Check from the menu, as shown in the figure below. Once you've chosen View Check, as described above, you will be taken directly to the detailed information about the check. In the check details, you will find the check status section where you can easily track the status of the Docyt check that has been issued. By tracking the check's progress during delivery, you gain visibility into its status. You can easily monitor the updates to ensure the check is delivered successfully. And there you have it. You have now learned how to track Docyt check payments easily. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.